In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build standard operating procedures, or SOPs, within ClickUp, and we'll delve into the three essential components of an exceptional SOP. Now, SOPs are vital for ensuring that tasks and processes within your organization are carried out correctly and consistently. With ClickUp as our tool of choice, you'll be able to streamline and organize your projects seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to ClickUp. If you're not already familiar, ClickUp is a comprehensive productivity tool that combines project management, task tracking, and document creation all in one place. Once you're there, simply click on the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your ClickUp account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to get started. Once logged in, find your account in the interface and click on it. This will provide you with a drop-down menu featuring various options to explore. Here, you'll want to click on the plus icon, usually denoted by a plus symbol. This handy button allows you to create new items, such as tasks or documents. From the new options, go ahead and select Templates. Templates in ClickUp are incredibly beneficial because they provide ready-made structures for your documents and projects. After accessing the templates, you'll want to use the search bar to type in SOP. This will help you locate the relevant SOP template you need. Once you've found the template that suits your needs, click on it, and then select Use Template. In many cases, you'll need to confirm this action by clicking on Use Template again to finalize the selection. Now that your template is loaded, let's navigate to the HR SOP, which you can find by the appropriate label or heading. Click on it to open up the detailed view. There's a tab or button there titled List. Clicking on it will display the comprehensive format of your SOP creation process. Remember, every great SOP has three crucial parts: clarity, a step-by-step guide, and defined roles and resources. Let's first focus on clarity. Your SOP should clearly state its objective and scope. This means explaining what the SOP covers and why it's important to follow it, laying out its purpose and intended use. Next, the step-by-step process is where you break down the task into actionable steps. This part transforms your procedures into manageable tasks that anyone in your organization can follow easily. It's crucial to use clear language and ensure each step is precise. Finally, don't forget to clearly define the roles, responsibilities, and resources. Assign tasks to specific team members and be sure to link any relevant documents or files that are necessary for the task's completion. Providing a clear understanding of who does what and what materials are needed is key to an effective SOP. Before you're done, use the highlight feature to emphasize any critical points or important sections within your SOP. This will draw attention to the parts that need extra focus, ensuring that your team grasps the most essential details. And there you have it. Building effective and efficient SOPs in ClickUp is straightforward and highly beneficial for maintaining operational consistency. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!